story sibhala gesi shisenza ukuphendula i-H3 benjezi beef shiya amathambo kusoba ngathi bakubheke ku-X-ray fujeneni besame ngenza ama-symbol to get ngenza amaqhinga to escape enodinga umaqhiza to explain bathi gesi ivayile ngethubana uvula igate phela thina besibhujile how did it even escape mina blame uJohn nalabo chiri begate ignorant as fuck komuntu ongazi isikhathi nedate I just think my problems of this party anticipate my body participate but my mind is at other place ngikho sami estate to Japan cause what it take tsunami washing my brain keep on watching I'ma explain cause Bizol lyricist he got bars anga wisi electricity Bizol lyricist dropping bars anga wisi electricity ile speaker so busy meeting in my community this is sound for the unity beside city but it's city manje it's a pity cause couldn't listen na my pity the mama lies still feel cheap rights visionary and depend anga ku sense of sight like Ray Charles blind ngithatha ama chance ukurefa se wrestling ile zishayela phansi underground like zama around ile cable ekubhelo that should never be found sibathulile balikhathile abanqomeli bani bastila amashine in the dark like a son of a gun ngeke bangimele hluleke namaloya ngilanga lokuye enkantolo mina ngisemabhonya now I'm a most wanted okukhiyo corona yeah I'm a real nigga ngathi sibongo umakoya nani beef ngaboda bine sina like fora feel like DD drop cause monkey gang drop pistol appealing hip hop pick up and kill it the joke my life moving hard we am maneuver nyapop inside the rubber the cop ile joint and stop yakuhlabusa thopa la namabhlungu uzophola but ukhamba manzi khambe no kiss Sithulile as long ukhona amanzi anogesi vala utshwala wena that's people start going crazy it's ironic how we upload marikhanda sebenza khala seasons barutshwala sablanda buzlate bafana necrazy ayitshwala ngekusaba like cheese bizoluya kula ngeke zaphole why guy cause inabo doctor ngeke babone ayo insurance ngemele ngele ngibophe nice life problems and angeke ngwasolwe ngeke nikhona ilanga lami ngeke zishone ngeke ngimbone life movie soze ngibone final destination makumele ngibone ngivele ngibone if a niggas in the picture ke bangaze basondele I'll never be there, shifter. Toga bacheli badlalele fair. I'll never be there. A nigga with the fucking turek. With all due respect, bring on my face. Dala ku first, lie text. Pussy niggas, they be failing at test. Calling them cats, feeling from rest. They live in a trap, believe in a pet. Something you can never neglect. So either ejects out of your hands like fucking so like adrenaline. Fighting, so sick replaying. The melanin, iya shota past 11 my skin. Tole malin, jemo sexy ya mise bantun. Empagatin, kedo parang in zimali strati. Topa matin, be me canteen, skali balin. Kalaboting, thinking something, is singing catching, is money machine. To machine thinking what shot malini nokuthi umuntu athenye machine about 900 hour lapha ngiholi nani 100 rand an hour about 900 hour lapha ngiholi nani 900 rand an hour abakuzwisisa abafrostani never forced to fit ungazi isiphathisa ikhanda da ku friends like this we ain't like his maybe it's the crash whatever it is cause my nigga lost in the middle like a falling asleep I pull up in no dreams full amehlo balancing a stick like I'm stepping I never took the stress to the pin it's still imagine I'm basic to your TV screen but in the meantime by the station I'm sick lyrical sick I think we need antibiotic I'm taking no pills so why would I start with the vaccine I'm a lunatic makes it bang his business I go freak now will the resist Grammy award on my bucket list